Welcome to our YouTube channel again. This is Isan Kosa from Course Trading, and today we have another Bang & Olufsen product at the table. Today we're gonna look at the Beolab 14 series. The 14 series is the with the big subwoofer and with the small satellite speakers. And today we're gonna dive into the subwoofer. In my last videos I deassembled the satellite Beolab 14, the small ones, and today we have the big one. There's a big subwoofer. Today we're gonna deassemble it and see what's inside this monster. It's very big and heavy subwoofer from Bang & Olufsen. So we're gonna dive into it and see what's inside this beast. This subwoofer is designed by David Lewis. I think they have get inspiration from David Lewis, but I'm not 100% sure it's designed by David Lewis. But I couldn't find any data on it, so I can only rely on what I can find on the web. So, but also I'm not sure 100% sure it's designed by David Lewis. This subwoofer, Beolab 14 sub, is manufactured in 2013. It has some different materials they have used. They have used on top. They have used fabric. We can also twist it and see some more data on it. We can see it's called actually Beoplay S8, but it's actually a Beolab 14. The Beolab 14 and Beoplay S8 is a whole series for itself. So it can be a little bit confusing what the product this is, but it's actually a subwoofer. It's active subwoofer. So yeah. Also, we have also some more data as to where the power consumption, and we have some serial numbers. I'm not sure there's no serial numbers. The only type number and item number. So I think the serial number will be on inside the chassis. So we're gonna twist it up. So this is it's very weird that it's called Beoplay 8S product. So it can be very confusing. So one of the reasons Bang & Olufsen came up with this product is you got also when you purchase this complete set, you also receive you got also in the package with the connecting hub. The connecting hub is very useful. You can connect the hub to any TV out at the market, LG, Samsung, and anything, and you can configure it with your own ER remote controller, and you can actually control this Bang & Olufsen speaker set, surround speaker set, with your own remote controller, with your own TV. So I think Bang & Olufsen try to go into another market area, but So the connecting hub is very useful if you want to integrate Bang & Olufsen products with your own TV, like Samsung, LG, and whatever you have. You can directly connect with the Tosalink or what is called infrared link. I think it's Toslink. I'm not sure, but let me get on to that. So today we're gonna see what's inside this bad boy, and underneath we have right here we have 8-inch bass driver. The bass driver is driving with 280 class D amplifier, and we also have some switches here where we can go into some different modes, power link A, power link B, and line, and you can turn this up and down. And we also have some power link inputs. At total we have 3 times power link, and we also have a 6 line in via power link, and we also have a multi connector. And yeah, I don't know what this is for. I'm not sure what this is, so yeah, we're gonna leave that. So we're gonna dive into this product. We're gonna remove all parts inside this beautiful subwoofer, Beolab 14, Beoplay S8. I'm not sure what we call it, but in my channel we're gonna call it Beolab 14. So let's dive into the product. It's still rolling in my hands, so yeah. So yeah, let's get some tools and see what we have. So the way we are gonna process with the deassembling process with this one is we're gonna remove the cabinet. We're gonna actually remove, there are some screws underneath here all the way around, and we're gonna remove all of them, and we're gonna flip the chassis up right this slide like that, and try to lift it up and see if that pops out without removing this one. So yeah, so let's try this. So yeah, so I'm gonna speed up the process again. You know how we're gonna do that. So yeah, stay tuned. We have now removed all the screws, and let's try to flip the product and see if we can. No, I think we should. We also need to remove this one, but I'm not sure. But let me check if we have removed all the screws. Yeah. Yeah. Let's try to see. It's also quite heavy. Okay, I think we need to twist it. So I managed to get it off. I just need to pull it down a little bit, and we can remove it. So yeah, here's how it looks, and we have the fabric cloth here, protector, and we just need some anti-static. Put it here, and we have the cabinet right this. I think it will be sold like this in black color. So here we have the woofer, we have the amplifier board, and we have the power supply board. So let me try to zoom it in a little bit and see what we have. So we are back again, and let's try to see if we can remove some things here. So let's try to disconnect this one to the amplifier board, not to the power supply board. And what we have here, a bunch of cables we need to remove. So let's just take it one step at a time. It's also very great build. The build quality is great. So we also need to pop this cable out. Yeah. Okay. So let me try to see if we can remove this one. Go. So let's see if we can remove this. No, there's one more screw here. Okay, can we remove it now? No, still start. Still start. Okay. I think this are going to be one shot video. So let's see what we have here. So we have the amplifier and this. Here we go. This one is off. Here we go. Here we go. We have disconnect the woofer. Let's see what we have here. I'm a little confused why this is linked. Maybe we need to remove. Here we go. Still. This one is still connected, or is this this coil is? Okay, I think we also need to remove. There's two screws here. We also need to remove. Go. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Nope. It's still gonna take some time. You just need to. There we go. And what do we have here? Do we have any connections here? We have one screw here, one screw here. Yeah, let's try to see if we can remove those screws here. I'm a little unsure why this is not coming off. Okay, strange. So yeah. Okay, let's try to see if we can unscrew these. Drive. There we go. And unscrew these. I think I also have some difficult times to remove. There we go. Not too difficult, but let's see if we can remove this one. There we go. Any cables back here? Here we go. Here we have the power supply board. The power supply board is also very difficult to repair, but we also repair this board. So if you have any injuries with your board, and you are more welcome to contact us. So this one is fully working condition. Next step is we're gonna remove the amplifier board. Amplifier board is located right here, but I'm a little unsure. Oh, I think we got broken something here. So yeah, let's see if we can remove the input board underneath here. Let's try to dive into it. Cables going here. Boom. Oh, what we have here? can just pull it out. No, stuck with this one. And I keep this. So let's see what we have. Okay, there's one screw. Okay, let's try to see if we can remove this one. And there's one screw here. I think this is the cooling pad, so I think we should leave it as it is. So I'm gonna screw it back in. Yeah, this must be the cooling pad for the amplifier board, what I can see. I'm very confused how we are gonna remove this. Going through here. It's not connected. Okay, you know what? Let's try to remove the woofer. Here we go. Let's try to lift the woofer up. This woofer is not going anywhere. Here we go. Here is the beautiful woofer. Looked like actually from a Beoplay A9, one of the first generations. Look like this. Put it here. So the amplifier board is only left here. I think we need to remove the plate from the cooling plate from the amplifier board. It's also saying it's the main board, but I'm saying main board, but I'm sure that is a amplifier board. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's try to see if we can remove this. See if we can get this out. Go. We still have some connections. Is it 2 boards or 1 board? Okay, we just need to remove these 2 screws. Now, perfect. We also need to just screw this in. So, here's the main board and the amplifier board for the Beoplay A2, and you can already see there is some corrosion here, but yeah, some moisture. So yeah, this is the amplifier board. And the last thing we also need to remove is this one. But also input board here. Let's remove that. Okay, this is PCB 78, and this is something. Is the LED? No, I'm not sure what it is. Leave me a comment if you know what this is. Let's clean up the table a little bit. I think we are only. Yeah, we only need to remove this one. So how are we gonna do that? Do we need to remove press? That's very interesting. Can we press it in? Yeah. Here we go. Oh. We missed the wheel here. So this is the PCB board 68. The input board look like this. And we have the base with the connector. So this was a deassembly process for the Beolab 14 subwoofer, Beoplay S8 subwoofer, what you call it, it's up to you. So let's clean up the table and bring all the parts at the front. So we are back again. Let's see what we have here. We have the big subwoofer here, look like this, and we also have a board right here. I'm not sure what it is. It was for this style. I think it's maybe the indicator. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what it is, but I think it's the indicator. Leave me a comment saying what it is. And we have the input board with switches, and we also need to put this one. If we can. Here we go, and here we go. And here is the main board, amplifier board, completely integrated with the power link inputs. And here we have the power supply board, look like this, and also fully functional. And last, we have some covers with the cables, the fabric, top fabric, and we have the big, heavy cover. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned something how to deassemble this beautiful subwoofer. So we also if you have any issues with this one, you're more than welcome to send it us. We can repair it. Yeah. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.